Thai shrimp patties. Today we're making these easy to make shrimp patties. I'll make about 4 patties with this recipes, and credit goes to Christine Rudelevich of myrecipes.com, which I'll link in the description box. Ingredients. I've altered the original recipe a bit for my taste. We're using a 1/3 cup of Panko, a 1/4 cup of unsweetened shredded coconut, 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger and 1 clove of chopped garlic, a 1/4 cup of green onion, which you want to save some for later for toppings, 2 teaspoons of fish sauce, 2 teaspoons of Sriracha or some sort of hot sauce, 8 medium-sized shrimp that were finely chopped, 1 egg, and juice from a 1/4 of a lime, or roughly about 1 teaspoon of lime juice. So now we mix, and just so you know, I'm only using gloves because the smell of fish sauce really stays on your skin if you get it on yourself. But you don't have to. You can use tongs or something. Once it's mixed, we will split them up into 4 patties and coat it with our coating mix, which is 1/3 Panko and 1/4 cup of shredded coconut. The patties are really wet, and that's okay. Now we gotta coat the other patties. Alright, so after coating all the patties, we're going to oil the pan on medium-high heat, then place the patties in. Let's put in the shrimp patties. The chosen one here is going to have some cream cheese in it, so that's why it's named the chosen one. You pretty much separate a patty and put 1 teaspoon of cream cheese on one side and sandwich the patties back together. Hopefully it'll taste good. Now we'll brown each side of the patties for 4 to 5 minutes depending on how good your stove is. Okay, let's prep some more lime juice and some sauces. Alright, let's top it off with some green onions saved from earlier. Not bad looking, if I do say so myself. Let's see how this goes. Nom 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 nom. Honestly, if you like and have cilantro, it would probably make this taste even more fresh. Alright, now I've been waiting for this one. It surprisingly didn't melt at all. Oh hey, so it turned out really well. I would recommend you try this out with cream cheese. Maybe do like 2 without cream cheese and 2 with cream cheese. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you try it out.